Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Asan Hindi Gyan. Today we are going to learn lesson number 19, which is a story number 4, Saranagat, from your Hindi reader book of grade 12, Tamil Nadu State Board. So the name of the story is शरणागत. शरणागत को अगर हम संधि करेंगे तो शरण प्लस आगत. शरण आगत, शरण में आया हुआ. शरण मीन्स shelter. आगत मीन्स who came to get a shelter from you. शरण में आया हुआ, आपके यहाँ कोई पनाह लेने के लिए आता है तो उसे शरणागत बोलते हैं. So let's see what is there inside this story. So as I told you, Saranagat means Saran mein aaya hua, that people who came to you to get this altar, or else the proper meaning of Saranagat is a refugee. So, कहानी कुछ इस प्रकार है. रजक नाम का एक कसाई था. वह ललितपुर का निवासी था. वो रोजगार के लिए मडपुरा नामक गांव में आया. So here the main character is Rajak. Rajak एक कसाई था. कसाई means who are fleshes or meat seller, जो usually chicken mutton center में बेचते हैं ना, who are selling meat. So रजक एक कसाई था. He is a meat seller. वह ललितपुर में रहता था. He was from Lalitpur. He belongs to Lalitpur, and for the sake of earning something for his family, so he used to come Madpura village. वह 300 रुपए कमाकर ललितपुर लौटने ही वाला था. इतने में उसकी पत्नी बीमार पड़ी. So what happened? This Rajak came to Madpura village to sell the meat, and after selling the meat he got 300 rupees. So after earning 300 rupees, at that time he used to return to his own village Lalitpur. In the meantime, his wife became very sick. इसलिए वो रात को मडपुरा में ही ठहरना चाहता था. किसी ने भी उसको अपने आंगन में ठहरने नहीं दिया. So though his wife, Rajak's wife, is not well, that's why what he decided, okay, today I won't go back, I won't return back to my village Lalitpur. So he decided to stay with his wife in that particular village, Madpura. Madpura is that village where Rajak used to go for the business for selling of the meat. But it is not his own place. His own place is Lalitpur. That's why he was not that much of familiar to Madpura village. So no one allowed him to stay in the home for one night. मटपुरा गांव में एक गरीब डाकू रहता था. वह सब डर के मारे उसे राजा पुकारते थे. रजक जाकर उस डाकू से शरण मांगी. So whenever nobody was giving ready to giving shelter to this Rajak in Madpura village, at last he went to one person's house, and that person was a very all the people of that village, they were very afraid of that person. He is one type of dacoit like that. So all the villagers used to call him as a king. So after everybody say no to give the shelter to Rajak, at last Rajak decided to go there and ask for one night shelter to that person, to that dacoit. So and that dacoit was known as ठाकुर. So ठाकुर ने कहा ठीक है, आज रात को मैं तुम्हें मेरे आंगन में ठहरने के लिए देता हूँ. After listening everything from Rajak, that dacoit he allowed to stay in his house, both the husband and wife. मगर कल पौ पड़ते ही निकल जाना. रजक मान गया. उस रात को कुछ लोग आए और ठाकुर से बातें करके चले गए. So, as I told you earlier that no one is ready to give shelter to this Rajak and his sick wife. At last, Thakur was agreed to give shelter, but he put on condition that he before sun rises tomorrow morning, before the sun rises, you have to leave from my house. So Rajak also agreed with this condition, and in the midnight, in that particular night, some people came to meet Thakur and they had some discussion with the Thakur. सुबह रजक अपनी पत्नी के साथ वहां से चल दिया. एक चमार ज्यादा पैसा लेकर रजक और उसकी पत्नी को गाड़ी में बिठा ले गया. So as it was conditioned before previous night with Rajak and Thakur, so Rajak also got up early in the morning and along with his wife he started to leave that place, and one person, chamar का मतलब होता है cobbler, shoemaker. So that person came and he charged some extra money, but after charging extra money, he took Rajak and his wife with that with his personal vehicle, with that vehicle. रास्ते में कुछ डाकुओं ने उनको रोका. वे डाकू रजब से पैसा छीनने वाले थे. इतने में एक डाकू आया और बोला कि यह रजब नामक कसाई है. यह कल मेरे शरण में था. मैं बुंदेला हूँ. बुंदेला शरणागतों से घात नहीं करता. तो क्या होता है कि जब दूसरे दिन उसे एक चमार आकर ज्यादा पैसा लेकर उसकी गाड़ी में बिठाकर रजब और उसकी पत्नी को ले जाता है, तो बीच में रास्ते में क्या होता है, अंदर वे some group of dacoits, they stop Rajab along with that vehicle and they tried to took all the monies from Rajab. But in the meantime, one dacoit came and he told that this is Rajab, this is a meat seller. So yesterday night he came to meet me and he is a refugee, so he wants shelter and I gave shelter and I am Bundela. So actually this is a community. So what that principle is, whoever they gave the shelter, they won't harm them. They can't harm them, neither they can torture them. So how they can steal the money from that Rajab? That's why that main docket he told that Rajab is a meat seller, so don't take any money from him, don't harm him, because he was a refugee and I gave shelter yesterday night, and by community I am a Bundela, and Bundela usually don't harms to the refugees. So this is all about your story. This is the summary of the story. So usually from the story we come to know one thing, that though this person is a Thakur, or this Raja is a particularly by profession is a dacoit, but he is having one principle. What is that principle? If he is going to give any shelter to anyone, then he is bound not to harm that person. He always be there to help that person. And here also that particular person, that particular dacoit did that. उसकी जो नियम है वो उसे रक्षा करता है, डाकू होने के बावजूद, जिसे उसने पनाह दी, जिससे उसने शरण में आया हुआ रजब को जब उसने अपने घर में ठहरने दिया, तो उसकी रक्षा करना भी उसकी दायित्व बना। तो सुबह जब डाकुओं ने उसे लूटना चाहा तो तभी वो डाकू आके बोलता है कि वो मेरे शरण में आया है, तो मैंने उसे शरण दिया है, पनाह दिया है कल रात, जबकि वो मैं बुंदेला संप्रदाय से हूँ। तो हम बुंदेलों में एक नियम होता है, एक नीति होता है कि जो हमारे शरण में आते हैं हम उन्हें कोई नुकसान या फिर कोई चोट नहीं पहुंचा सकते। Let's come to your question answers. एक या दो वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए. So you have to give the answer in 1 or 2 lines. शरणागत कहानी के लेखक का नाम बताइए. So what is the writer's name of the story शरणागत? So the writer name is Sri Brindavan Lal Verma. So what is the writer's name? Brindavan Lal Verma. शरणागत कहानी के मुख्य पात्रों के नाम लिखिए. मुख्य पात्र means main characters. Who are the main characters of this particular story, Saranagat? So here two characters are there. One is Great Dakat, that is known as a king or people, villagers by getting fear of that Dakat, they called him as a Raja or Thakur. And here another person is that is ये मीट शेलर known as रजब. So रजब कसाई और गांव का ठाकुर ये दोनों मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैं. रजब कौन था? रजब ललितपुर का कसाई था. He belongs to a ललितपुर village and he was by profession he is a meat seller. रजब व्यापार करके कहाँ लौट रहा था? रजब व्यापार करके ललितपुर लौट रहा था. रजब के साथ कौन थी और उसके पास कितनी रकम थी? रकम मीन्स मनी. हाउ मच मनी ही वाज हैविंग. सो रजब के साथ था कौन? उसकी पत्नी थी. His wife was there along with him and he was having 300 rupees. So 300 रुपए की 200-300 रुपए की उसके पास बड़ी रकम थी और उसके साथ उसकी पत्नी थी. रजब की पत्नी को क्या हुआ था? उसे बुखार हो गया था. बुखार मीन्स शी वाज हैविंग फीवर. रजब ने कहाँ ठहरने का निश्चय किया? रजब ने मडपुरा गांव में ठहरने का निश्चय किया. Why he decided where he decided to stay? He decided to stay in Madpura village because he used to go Madpura village to sell the meat. मडपुरा गांव में कौन रहता था? मडपुरा गांव में एक गरीब ठाकुर रहता था. लोग डर के कारण ठाकुर को कैसे बुलाते थे? लोग डर के कारण ठाकुर को राजा बुलाते थे. रजब ने रात भर ठहरने के लिए किससे शरण मांगी? गरीब ठाकुर को शरण मांगी. ठाकुर ने रजब को क्या चेतावनी दी? Chetavanni means, so what was the initial condition? It was there whenever Thakur allow Rajab and his wife to stay in his house. So the condition is there, before the sun rises you have to leave my house tomorrow morning. So ठाकुर ने रजब को चेतावनी दी कि कल सुबह यहाँ से चले जाना. आधी रात में लोगों ने किसको बुलाया? तो आधी रात में लोगों ने ठाकुर को बुलाया. ठाकुर लोगों के साथ मिलकर क्या करता था? ठाकुर कुछ लोगों के साथ मिलकर यात्रियों को लूटा करता था. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर ठाकुर और राजा कैरेक्टर, he by profession he was a dacoit. So he used to tip some monies or some ornaments, whatever it will be there, from the travelers who used to travel on that particular road. He used to attack them and he used to tip all these things. लोगों ने ठाकुर को किसके बारे में बताया? लोगों ने ठाकुर को रजब कसाई और उसकी तगड़ी कमाई के बारे में बताया. So people informed Thakur about this Rajab meat seller and his good earnings. Tagdi kamai means if you are getting a healthy income, that is known as your tagdi kamai. ठाकुर का जवाब क्या था? ठाकुर का जवाब यह था कि हम कसाई का पैसा ना छुएंगे. So he because though he gave the shelter to that meat seller, so he decided not to touch a single pie of that particular meat seller. ठाकुर ने लोकमत के डर से किसको घर से निकाल दिया? ठाकुर ने लोकमत के डर से रजब कसाई को घर से निकाल दिया. कौन रजब को ललितपुर तक कितने किराए पर ले जाने को राजी हुआ? एक चमार रजब को काफी किराया लेकर ललितपुर तक ले जाने को राजी हुआ. चमार मीन्स कोबलर. So one cobbler was agreed to take Rajab and his wife with his vehicle to Lalitpur village with a great amount, in a high rate. रजब की स्त्री क्यों ठिठुरने लगी? ठिठुरना मतलब सिवर, टू सीवर. सो रजब की स्त्री को बुखार हो गया इसलिए वो ठिठुरने लगी. So though Rajab's wife was affected by fever, that's why she was shivering like anything. रजब ने गाड़ीवान को धमकाते हुए क्या कहा? रजब ने गाड़ीवान को धमकाते हुए कहा कि अगर बीच में गड़बड़ करोगे तो यही तुमको छुरे से काट कर कहीं फेंक दूंगा और गाड़ी लेकर ललितपुर चल दूंगा. So he was threatening, Rajab was threatening to that particular vehicle owner that if you are doing any if your works are any suspicious, if you do any suspicious thing, then I will kill you with this knife and I will take your vehicle and I will go to my own village ललितपुर. लोगों के गाड़ी के रोकने पर गाड़ीवान ने क्या बताया? लोगों के गाड़ी को रोकने पर गाड़ीवान गाड़ी छोड़कर नीचे जा खड़ा हुआ और बोला कि मालिक मैं तो गाड़ीवान हूँ, मुझे कोई सरोकार नहीं है. So that vehicle owner, so whenever all the Dakat people they came and they stopped that particular vehicle, at that time that owner, that rider of that particular vehicle, he comes down and he told that I am only the driver, I am only driving this vehicle and so I have no involvement in this matter, so whatever you want to do you do, I am not going to interfere with this matter. गाड़ीवान की बात सुनकर लोगों ने क्या जवाब दिया? गाड़ीवान की बात सुनकर लोगों ने पूछा कि यह कौन है? So whenever this vehicle rider told these things, at that time those Dakat person asked something. So what they asked? They asked who is there in your vehicle. शरणागत के साथ कौन घात नहीं करता? Who never harm the refuses. शरणागत के साथ बुंदेला घात नहीं करता. किसने गाड़ीवान को ताकीद दी? ठाकुर ने गाड़ीवान को ताकीद दी. Now come to your 5 marks question answers. You have to write the answer within 5 lines. रजब के बारे में 5 वाक्य लिखिए. So you have to write 5 sentences about Rajab. So Rajab कहाँ से था? Rajab was belonging to ललितपुर village. रजब ललितपुर गांव से था और वो पैसे में by profession he was a meat seller. वो पैसे में कसाई था. He was very hard working. वो मेहनती था, मेहनत करके ज्यादा रुपया वो भी कमाता था. और उसके साथ हमेशा उसकी पत्नी रहती थी. And he used to take care of his wife very much. He was very down to earth. वो नम्र था. He was very brave. वो निडर था. इसलिए गाड़ीवान के तंग करने पर उसे काट गिराने की धमकी भी देता है. ठाकुर के बारे में 5 वाक्य लिखिए. So you have to write 5 sentences about ठाकुर. ठाकुर के पूर्वज धनी थे मगर आज वो गरीब ठाकुर है. ठाकुर यूजुअली it is before some years back this is as a title, एक उपाधि के तरह दिया जाता था. एक it was just like a honor. Thakur, some name like that, Thakur Digvijay Singh, Thakur Ratan Prakash Singh. So this Thakur is like a honor. So usually those persons were very rich, and they are having a very high status in our society. But here this particular person was very poor, though his ancestors were very rich, but still he was a Thakur. He was, that particular blood is flowing in his body, so he was having that endowment. He was having that ruling capacity. That's why he was addicted, or he was he always loved to give commands over the villages. And in Madpura village, everyone fear about this particular person, and with the fearness they used to call him as Raja. माटपुरा गांव के सारे लोग इस ठाकुर को राजा मानते थे। ठाकुर के पूर्वज जो होते थे वो बहुत धनी थे, लेकिन अभी ये ठाकुर बहुत गरीब है। लेकिन ठाकुर तो ठाकुर होता है ना, तो उनके पूर्वज जैसे धनी थे वो सारे गांव में राज करते थे, सबको हुक्म देना, सब पे शासन करना, ये सब वो उस उपाधि के अनुसार होता था। लेकिन अभी ये ठाकुर जो उनका जो वंशज है वो गरीब हो गया है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी वो रोब जमाता था गांव के लोगों पर, और उसका पैसा था लूटना। नाउ ही बिकेम अ डकैत एंड ही यूज्ड टू thief the money, ornaments, everything from the टूरिस्ट। फिर भी शरणागतों की वो रक्षा करता था। Though he was a dacoit, but he saved whoever he gave shelter. He saved the refugees. वो लोक लज्जा से डरता था, इसलिए कसाई को सवेरा होते ही घर से निकाल देता है। So he, though he is a dacoit, but he is having some principle in his life. He used to save the refugees, whoever coming to him to get shelter, and he was very afraid of, and he was very sincere about this all the unnecessary gossips. He don't like that unnecessary gossips. So that's why he was informing Rajab and his wife that you should leave my house on the early morning. रजब और उसकी स्त्री रात में ठहरने का निश्चय स्त्री ने रात में ठहरने का क्यों निश्चय किया? क्योंकि रजत ललितपुर गांव से था, वो माटपुरा गांव रोजगार करने के लिए आता था, और उस दिन भी वो अपने पत्नी के साथ आता है, 300 रुपया कमाता है। लेकिन उसी रात उसे क्या होता है कि बुखार हो जाता है, उसकी पत्नी को बुखार हो जाता है। तो उसकी पत्नी बहुत बुखार के कारण तड़पती है, बुखार के कारण ठिठुरती है। तो उसी हिसाब से उसी हालत में उसे अपने पत्नी को साथ लेकर ललितपुर, माटपुरा से ललितपुर जाना मुश्किल लगता है, इसीलिए वो, और उसके पास भी इतने सारे पैसे होते हैं, तो उसी वजह से वो रात में माटपुरा में ठहरने के लिए निश्चय करता है। ठाकुर ने रजब को क्या कहकर शरण दी? ठाकुर ने रजब से उसके बारे में पूछा। he asked everything about Rajab, and Rajab also told everything, that I am a meat seller, I come here to sell meat and I earn something. After that I have to return to my village, but though my wife is not well, that's why I have to stay in Matpura village. That's why I'm waiting. I'm searching for the shelter, and after listening all these things, Thakur also told that you are a meat seller, and usually no one will give any shelter to meat seller in this village. So how I will give you? If all the villagers will know this, it will be a great insult to me. So it is one thing I can do for you. You just stay one night in my home, but before the sun rises you have to leave. Tomorrow before sunrise you have to leave my house, and with this condition I am going to give you shelter in my house. रजब ललितपुर के लिए क्यों निकल पड़ा? सुबह होते ही ठाकुर ने रजब को घर से निकाल दिया, इसलिए रजब गांव से बाहर एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठ गया। उसकी पत्नी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी और नहीं सुधरी थी, इसलिए मडपुरा में रहना उसे अनुचित लगा। एक चमार काफी किराया लेकर रजब और उसकी पत्नी दोनों को गाड़ी में ललितपुर ले जाने को तैयार था, इसलिए रजब ललितपुर के लिए निकल पड़ा. So though it was a pre-conditioned by Thakur, that in the early morning you have to leave my house. So in the early morning also Thakur said, you both husband and wife, you just leave my house. So they left Thakur's house, and they were his wife was sitting outside, and her condition was not also good, that much good. So what Rajab think that it should not be a good decision to stay in this Marpura village much more time. Let's book some vehicle, and we have to or search for some transport, and I have to return with my wife to Lalitpur. And in the meantime, one cobbler came with his vehicle, and he charged much high amount, and Rajab also agreed to give that high amount, and they both, husband and wife, travel to their village Lalitpur with this cobbler with a high amount. बुंदेला ने रजब के साथ कैसा व्यवहार किया? डाकू लोग रजब को लूटना चाहते थे। गाड़ीवान रजब को मुसीबत में फंसाना चाहता था, लेकिन बुंदेला ने दोनों को ठोका, रजब की रक्षा की। ठाकुर स्वयं एक बुंदेला है और शरणागत की रक्षा करना बुंदेलों का गुण कहकर रजब को जाने देता है। इस तरह बुंदेला रजब के साथ अच्छा व्यवहार करता है। सो दिस इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, लास्ट वन। बुंदेला, यहाँ पर बुंदेला है कौन? हु इज बुंदेला हियर? दैट पर्टिकुलर डकैत, दैट ठाकुर who gave the shelter yesterday night to this husband and wife, he was a Bundela. By community, he was a Bundela. And Bundela community is having some principle that they should not harm to the persons who come for the shelter to them. And he also dedicated or determined to follow that principle. So that's why whenever all the Dakat people, they came to thief all the money from Rajab, and that particular vehicle owner also, that cobbler also want that Rajab and his wife also face some problem. He was having that intention. So at the meantime, Thakur came there, and he helped both the husband and wife, allow them to leave that place, and give the instruction to those Dakat people, you should not take any money from them, or you should not harm to this couple, because I am a Bundela and I gave shelter to this couple yesterday night, and Bundela community is having one principle, and I have to be followed. I have determined to follow that principle, and I will allow them to go to their village Lalitpur. Let them go to their return their village Lalitpur safely. So in this way he treated, so his good nature and behavior towards this particular meat seller couple. So this is all about Saranagat. I hope children you understood all this question answers, summary and 5-mark questions. So please learn this 2-mark questions, 1-line, 2-line answers. Those questions are very important, and last 5-mark question is important for you. And sometimes also long question will come like that, they will ask to write the summary of story Saranagat. So you have to narrate all these things. Thank you students, thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.